It is February 10th, 2019. It's 7:49 a.m. in the morning. A little chilly, but it's all good. So there's that rock outcropping formation.
The rock later to be named.
Yes, in the distance. Pretty cool. Yeah, look at this greenery. Paul is saying this is as green as he's seen this area. Yep. Still not too far from the road. So we're at Raven's Roost Rock. So that's where we found out the actual name of this rocky prominence right behind me there. So yeah, looks like Paul found his new home.
I like it. Yeah, it's cool.
So we're on the ledge of the Raven's Roost Rock. We were thinking about climbing to the summit of it, but it's like straight up. And you know, not too comfortable about my scrambling skills at the moment. So there's too much risk over reward right now.
Agreed.
So we're just gonna chill here. And there's still, you know, it's still a little bit slick from the recent rains. Yeah, this is really interesting terrain, and look at all these old shrubs from past forest fires. Kind of makes it for a very surreal landscape. Yeah, look at this burnt shrubs. A little close-up view of them. Pretty surreal. So we're about 30 minutes from where we were at last, and yeah, we hit the snow line. Check this out. Yep. Yeah. So we're just found a little parking spot on the side here, just chill around for a few minutes. But damn, it's fucking cold. Shit. Yep, getting in some winter too. And it's snowing a little bit. It's amazing what a few thousand feet elevation gain can do with the weather change. So we went up that road for a little bit, but we just decided to turn back since the road started getting a little steeper. But as you can see, the snow is it's starting to snow harder. Yeah. So this is an hour and a half away from Long Beach. This is the weather you get. Yeah, it's really dumping.
Oh, you son of a bitch, you hit my truck. Nothing more juvenile than hitting a car with a snowball. Woo! Nice. Alright, let's get out of the cold.
We're gonna try to go on the forest road we drove on, hike a little bit, and see how far we get. and see if we can go to Paul's hiking campground. Yeah, we'll see. The time is about 10:12 in the morning, February 10, 2019. Here's the Pacific Crest Trail. Yeah, part of the trail runs along this area. Yeah, pretty cool. The wind's picking up. Here we are at Paul's favorite campsite. Visiting it in the wintertime. Here was our attempt at trying to light a fire. Not very successful in these conditions. It's really hard. Yep. Yeah. Send that to me too. I'll credit you when I'm making my video.
That was awesome.
Look at that distant valley. It's sunny. While it's all cloudy, rainy, snowy where we're at.